How to use motion blur effect on CapCut. So first we need to go and open CapCut application here on PC. And then choose new project, here, this button. In here we must import a video that we're going to work with. So here click on import, or you can drag the video directly to here. So I'm going to import a video or a project to work with. So let's pick up, let's go for this video, for example, here. And now we must drag the video here to the timeline. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step here in the navigation bar, we got media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustment. We go to effects and then to video effect, click here and choose lens. You need to update the CapCut to the last version so we can able to see the motion blur effect here. Okay, so once we choose lens, we scroll down until we found motion blur here. So we drag the effect to the timeline. Let's go and make it here at the beginning. So here you can see the effect has been added. If we delete the effect, it will be not added, but we're gonna add the effect here at the beginning. Even we can adjust the effect to be the whole video or specific part. As well, we can adjustment these here. We can adjustment this information here. The horizontal or the strength, we can play with these as much as we can. So yeah, here. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.